Hi, this is Don Dornbrack here at Night Ford Lincoln, just here to show you our 2016 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. It's the 5-litre V8 with the 6-speed manual transmission. As you can see, the exterior is the shadow black and it does come with a few upgrades. That includes those nice blacked out wheels. As you can see, the hood has also been upgraded. Let's come around to the other side. Show you guys the inside. That does come with the keyless entry push button start. As you can see, you've got the black ebony cloth seats, automatic headlights. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your hands-free your cruise control settings. On the right hand side, your hands-free settings. You can see the manual transmission there. You've got your push button start for the keyless entry system. Now on that screen you do also have the backup camera. The vehicle does also have the backup sensors. I'll just come around to the back of the vehicle. It does have the Roush exhaust, dual tip. See the Roush there, and on the other one. Now, if you're looking for this vehicle on our website, the stock number is T9289. Please feel free to reach out to us if you want to come and test drive it, or just have a look for it on our website. Thanks for watching.